Hey everyone, we're going to be making our white sangria. This is a really nice, light cocktail, a little bit of sweetness, and then you get bubbles from the sparkling wine and our dry cider. We're going to start out by making sure that our glassware is clean and free of any cracks or chips. And then I'm going to add in my apples and oranges. I'm going to take 4 mint leaves, give them a smack and a tear, add them into our glass, along with ½ an ounce of triple sec, ½ an ounce of simple syrup. Then we're gonna do 3 ounces of sparkling wine, 3 ounces of our dry cider, and we're gonna fill our glass with ice. Give it a stir, straw, and it's ready to serve.